make life easy for ourselves doing this. It's much easier to land in tiny little airfields where there's no one around and we can land on whenever we want. But we head to these international airports often because the countries and the airport authorities involved, they want us to come. JFK is a great point in question. JFK is a huge airport, and we talked about Cincinnati earlier. That would be much, much easier. But it's so much more difficult. One of the reasons that we had said that we might have to land later was because it made life for the airport easier, which you can understand.
Yes, it
complicated adventure. So in the UFO you can see there is solar impulse with all of the LED lights lit up brightly. Bertrand Piccard is piloting it and he's going through his final phases. So here's a good test for you. If you look at that picture there, how far off the ground do you think Bertrand Piccard is?
well, I guess this is around 150 feet now, maybe 200 feet ground. On glide path already in the final. I think it's good wind on the nose at the moment. It looks quite stable from here. But actually we increase our cruising speed to have more controllability. Normally we fly 25 knots, and for approach we go to 30, 33 knots as a target to have more aileron efficiency.
Right, so the principle of riding a bike, then the slower you go, the slower you go.
Correct.
And there is really, as you said, you're descending quite rapidly. A big difference from the last picture you saw. You understand that he is going to be landing around 2 minutes time now. 2 minutes until both of you can't reach the ground. Landing time delayed by around about, what are we now? An hour and a half later than estimated landing time. And probably a record-breaking attempt as well. I think it was a pre-declared Solar Aviation distance record.
Correct. It's like we declare the waypoints we're gonna fly, and we declare the record. And it looks like it's not official, but we could make it. We could extend our current record by 100 kilometers.
And the previous record was held by Solar Impulse.
Solar Impulse by Andre Boschberg. So basically today, Bertrand Piccard will catch Andre Boschberg.
Second 5 days and 5 nights, I think he gets that.
Let's see.
Any more records we're expecting? I know there will be different records along the way that we broke. What the next ones will be?
Well, the biggest record of all is the around the world, the speed around the world record, because on solar energy this has never been done. That's our major goal. But certainly there will be different records in between, like the distance record, for example, from Nanjing to Hawaii.
You're watching Solar Impulse TV live, and slightly grainy pictures, but it's quite a testing